Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp registration timeout problem, and for security reason you have to restart WhatsApp error easily. You can see this is the problem. How to fix it? Okay, let's get start. First of all, go to phone settings and scroll down. Now click on apps option. Click on search bar, search for WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp. Click on force stops. Click on OK, confirm. Scroll down. Then click on storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. Delete. OK, back. And now click on permission option, and first to last allow all permission. First call logs, allow back. Second camera, allow back. And third location, allow back. Another microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos, SMS. Allow all permission, complete. OK, back to home screen. And now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. OK, back to home screen. Now click on register option, and now open your phone. OK, back to home screen. And go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp app, and now check update your WhatsApp app. My WhatsApp app already updated to the latest version. Okay, and now open your WhatsApp, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.